Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be sharing with you guys my workouts in a week. So today is Monday. We always start with shoulder, and the first program is the lateral raises. So we do this 10 times, that's 10 sets. 10 reps for 5 sets. After the lateral raises, we move to shoulder press. Sometimes I don't go all the way down, sometimes I just do the half shoulder press. Sometimes I do it all the way down like this, and also 5 sets, which is for 10 times. Next is Tuesday, which is the leg day, and we always start our leg day with a good squat. So I squat sometimes 30 kg, sometimes 40 kg, sometimes 50 kg. We do it for 10 sets, 10 reps also, but the sets vary. Sometimes we go 10 sets, sometimes we go 5 sets, sometimes just 7 or 8 sets, depending on the mood of the day. Then after squats, we move to lunges. Now, squat is one of the hardest workouts of all, and many people don't like to do it. Even me, I'm okay. Squat is okay, but some people don't even do it at all, which I don't recommend at all. Please make sure you do squats, even if it's once in a week, no matter how you don't like it. Now, after squats, we move to lunges. So I do lunges, I walk. When I started doing lunges, I usually do not used to carry weight, but with time I began carrying weight as I progressed. So lunges, we go all the way from end to end in the gym, and we go about 2 times or 3 times sometimes. That stuff is very painful. I'm just enjoying the pain over there. So a quick shout out to my friend Victor. He's my friend, he's my gym bro. That's him over there, and he's the one that's making me to make most of these videos. So after lunges, we move to calf raises. My friend Victor doesn't like doing this program. I don't know why. He doesn't like doing calves, but I like doing calves. So I go for calves. I do 15 reps for 3 sets, and sometimes I go 4 sets, depending on the weight I carry. I think this one is for 30 kg weight. Today is Wednesday, and it's our chest day. Chest day is usually one of my favorite days. I like benching, and we start with bench press. As you can see, I'm carrying overload. I'm carrying 60 kg, which is very heavy for me, so please bear with me. Then we move to inclined bench press. This is a variation of inclined bench press. I do this 10 sets. No, I don't know why I keep making these mistakes. This is 10 reps for 5 sets. Right? I do first and 5, second and 5, then together 5. Okay, I guess that's 15 reps. I do it sometimes 4 sets or 5 sets. Then moving on, we move to the barbell inclined barbell press, and we do this for under 5 sets too. It is more painful than it looks, guys. And this inclined bench press is very good for upper chest. So some people do the normal bench press, but they don't do the incline. Please make sure you do both of them. And right here we are done. Going home now, I'm just flexing. And finally, it's Friday, which is our back day. So we usually start off our back day with a good pull-up So we go pull-ups for 5 sets, as many reps as you can do for 5 sets. See me struggling to do pull-ups. After pull-ups, we move on to the T-bar rows. So this is also a good program for back. Most of the time I go 4 times a week. Sometimes I usually go 5 times in a week, but on average I go 4 times in a week to the gym. So this next program is also a barbell row, but it's a single arm bar row. It was my gym bro that actually brought this program, and it was fun doing this program. But one thing about all these programs is that when you are done, your body begins to ache you, especially your back. And I'm not even sure I'm getting the form right, but I'm trying. Then after this, we move on to the barbell rows. This one is also a very good program for the back. It helps to strengthen your back. And yeah, we do it for 5 sets. So we go 10 reps, sometimes 7 reps, 8 reps, but make sure we do 5 sets. And that's it, guys. We're done for the week. We're done for this video also. I hope you enjoyed it. This short video. I missed some programs, triceps, my abs, and some other programs, but sometimes some of them I actually did, but I didn't film them. So that brings us to the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.